In this video, we will be discussing the derivatives and integrals of vector functions. So recall sa ta, when we get the derivative, kani siya ang iyang formal nga definition. Katuning 3-step rule nga itong ginabuhat before, but I will not require you to do this. Okay? So, again, dili na ta mo gamit sa definition katong 3-step rule. Instead, we will continue with the theorem nga atong nahibalaan. Now, how do we get the derivative class? Same ra gihapon. Derivative ani is 3 times I is 3I plus derivative ani is 2t minus 4j. Dali na kayo, no? So, again, I will not require you to do this, ang 3-step rule. Pwede rata mo diretso sa theorem. This is the theorem. Okay? Now, let's have one more example. Kaning letter A. Start with this. Derivative ana is 6i. Derivative ani 8t plus 2j. If nana mo yung IJK, similar process, similar idea. Tulo lang. Pero, take note class, dili mo pwede add aning duha na dayon. Basig inyong ma-add ang I, ang component ni I o component ni J. You cannot do that. Okay? Separate na sila. Okay. Now, let's have the properties sa derivatives nato when it comes to vector valued function. First, letter I diha. Scalar multiple means if ever naka-constant sa gawas, you can multiply that inside or pwede po mo na siya ipagawas. Okay? Example ani is na ako'y 2ti plus 6j. So, na ako'y 2 times ti plus 6j. So, kani ang akong constant this time. Kani ang ako ang vector r. So, pwede ra nga kani akong kuha anong derivative first. I will have 2 times derivative ni t is 1. Derivative ni 6 is 0. So, wala na. I will have 2i. Okay? So, mo ni siya. Sa 2i, addition and subtraction of derivative, pwede ra isa-isahon ni mo daan or kuhaon ni mo ang sum or difference ay mag derivative. 3i. If nakay function and a vector, same ra gihapon, derivative sa first, multiply sa second, plus derivative sa second multiply sa first. Okay, so next, sa fourth class, whenever we multiply two vectors, similar ra gihapon, derivative sa first, copy ang second, plus derivative sa second, copy ang first. Sa V, we have the cross product. Similar process, naka-cross product lang diri class, dili na dot product. Okay? Sa 6, we have the product of the vector and a function. Chain rule ra gihapon ni siya class. For example, natay cosine raised to 5x to the 6. So, ang buhaton nato ani 6 cosine raised to 5 Wait lang. Cosine 2x raised to 5, di ba kay 5 minus 1 man, times, derivative ani sa sulod is negative sine 2x. Tapos derivative ani is 2. So this is the chain rule nga process. Similar ra gyapon siya sa chain rule niya before. Now suppose we multiply the two similar nga vector, CR, multiply that to itself, and makakuha mo og constant C. Then, if kuhaan ninyo ang derivative sa isa and multiply sa original, you will get 0. So, proof to siya. Now, let's have this example. Pareha ra gyapon no? Suppose we'll have letter A. Dot product. So we have on that product, diretso raman i-multiply no? 6 derivative sa first, derivative sa second, dayon isa-isahon og multiply. Naka-follow ra? Okay? So, direct substitution rin yung buhaton dahil anak class after kuha ninyo sa derivative. Okay? Try to follow lang sa solution. Okay. Next, let's have the integral. Integral of the vector valued function. Similar ra gyapon class, we integrate separately for I, J, K. You don't have to use the definition good. You can use the theorems. Katong diretsyo na. And, ayaw lang gyapon ninyo isagol si I, J, K. Example kani, integral ana is t cube. Kani, t squared. Dayon I. Kani, 3 over 2 t squared minus 60. Kani siya, we have 3 over 2 t to the 4th plus 5 t cube over 3. Same ra gyapon ha sa pagkuha sa antiderivative. Example kani na lang. 60 cube, we have 6. T, ang cube ninyo is 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Lowest term mo ani, we have 3 over 2 t to the 4. Okay? Sa definite class, kung naano mo values diha, similar ra gihapon, ang final answer lang after ninyo pag-integrate, inyuhang i-substitute ang values. So, 0 pi, so direct na dayon ni 0 to 3, pi over 3. And you will get your final answer. Okay? Remember class, if ever wala kay cosine, sine, tangent, cosecant, secant, o cotangent, kani imuhang pi is just a regular number. Pero, kung naa, they are angles. Okay? Kung naa siya tapat kung naa siya tapad sa sine and cosine. Okay, so I think that would be all. I will be giving a quiz sa kaning nga topic. Ibutang ra na ako sa Google Classroom. Okay?